Hello Widget Watchers, welcome back to Widget Wisdom. This video is the continuation of previous video where we created a simple fade animation and a staggered animation in Flutter. In this video we will create a custom animation in Flutter using the custom painter class. So let's get started. First, let's create a new stateful widget called custom animation. Then come to the state class and here implement the single ticker provider state mixin. Then create the animation controller object called controller. Then in the init state method, create the animation controller object. Then set the duration to 5 seconds. And if you don't know why we added duration as 5 seconds and what's the use of this vsync, then I'll suggest you to watch the previous video to get more idea onto this. Then call the repeat method on the controller object to repeat the animation. Now let's create a custom animation using the custom painter class. So first, create a new class called myPainter that extends the custom painter class. So now here we need to override these two methods. So please override that. Then add the animation variable of type animation double to myPainter class. So this variable is used to control the animation. Then create a constructor that takes the animation variable as a parameter. Then add the super constructor with the repaint property as the animation variable. Then come to the paint method. So this method takes the canvas and size as parameters. Then create the paint object and set the color to colors.blue. So this is the color of shape or object that we are going to draw. Then set the stroke width to 4.0. So this is the width of the shape. Then set the style to painting style.stroke. So this is the style of the shape. Then create the center variable and set it to the center of the size. Then create the radius variable and set it to the width of the size divided by 2 multiplied by the animation's value. So this radius value changes over time based on the animation object. Then draw a circle on the canvas using the draw circle method. This method takes the center, radius and paint as para. Now come to the build method of the custom animation class and here return a scaffold widget. Then in the body property, return a center widget. Then in the child property, return a custom paint widget. This widget takes the painter property as the myPainter object and the child property as a container widget with the width and height as 300. So this custom paint widget helps to draw the custom animation on the screen. Now let's test the animation. So save the file and run the app in the browser. Now you can see a blue circle animation from small to large over 5 seconds. This is a custom animation in Flutter using the custom painter class. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Widget Wisdom. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.